Hi everyone, my name is Olivia Augustini and I'm an executive with Abbott Laboratories. This is a continuation of our acquisition strategy. As a review, our three acquisition targets are Glambia, Everlywell, and Tandem. We expect integration with these companies to lead to huge financial and cultural growth for Abbott. To follow best practices, we should take due diligence when evaluating each potential subsidiary and develop an integration plan specific to each company. Abbott should also acquire businesses that share the same values and strive for innovation. By involving stakeholders from both companies in the transition process, we can ensure a peaceful merger. As a result of COVID-19, there are trends accelerating towards virtual care and increased demand in the medical devices market. Everlywell provides virtual consultations and at-home testing, while Tandem is the leading insulin monitor producer in the medical devices market. The healthcare industry itself is quickly consolidating into huge corporations. In just 2020, mergers and acquisitions increased by over 35%, and Abbott should continue to capitalize on this trend in the industry. While evaluating our situation, we must be aware of our company's weaknesses. Abbott has a reputation for having a rigid and sometimes intense organizational culture. On Glassdoor, our employees complain about our integration from our 2017 merger with St. Jude Medical. But we can improve our flexibility through our actual acquisitions. All three of our targets are known for their supportive environments, balanced workload, and inclusion for employees. To integrate companies more smoothly in the future, Abbott management should emphasize diversity within teams and also employee mental health. A potential threat that we foresee affecting our business is the Biden administration's healthcare proposal. They plan to limit drug prices, enforce antitrust legislation, and heavily regulate merger and acquisition activities. To counter this threat, we should acquire companies as soon as possible before pro-business legislation is changed, and we should also avoid pharmaceutical products. We do have a good relationship from our vaccination contracts with the federal government, so we should continue to leverage this going forward. In the future, Abbott should continue to capitalize on the disorder in the market. Our competition like Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer are heavily focused on pharmaceuticals, even though we expect to see increased governmental interference in this sector. By acquiring companies like Glambia, Everlywell, or Tandem, we can expand into growing markets and also improve our company culture along the way. These acquisitions will also address our internal weaknesses and external threats, which will ultimately create additional value for our stakeholders. Thank you.